Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to off Gemini Assistant. First, open your phone's main settings menu. Once there, scroll down until you find the Apps or Applications section and tap on it. Next, look for Manage Apps or App Management to view all installed applications. This is the initial step to gain control over your Assistant settings. Now that you are in the App Management section, use the search bar at the top to quickly find Gemini. Once it appears in the list, tap on the Gemini application entry. This action will open a new screen displaying detailed information about the app, including various settings and controls you can adjust. On the Gemini app info screen, you will typically see options like Disable or Uninstall. If you wish to stop the assistant without removing it completely, choose Disable. If you prefer to remove it entirely, select Uninstall. A confirmation prompt will appear. Simply confirm your choice to complete the action. To prevent Gemini from reactivating, it's wise to check your phone's default assistant settings. Make sure another preferred assistant, or none, is selected as the default. Additionally, periodically review your app permissions to ensure no unwanted changes have occurred. This helps maintain your desired assistant configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.